So now let's take a look at another problem, and we are going to calculate negative 3.007 divided by negative 0.012, and then we will round to the nearest hundredths. So for right now, I'm going to forget about negative signs, and we are taking our divisor of 0.012, and our dividend is 3.007. I noticed I needed to move this 3 places, so I need to move this 3 places. So we end up with 12 into 3007. So when we do that, I say, hey, 12 goes into 32 times. 2 times 12 is 24, so I subtract that and I get 6. Bring down my 0. 12 goes into 60 5 times. 5 times 12 gives me 60, so I subtract those. 60 minus 60 is 0. I bring down my 7. 12 goes into 7 0 times, so 0 times 12 gives me 0. 7 minus 0 gives me 7. Bring down my 0, and I have 70. 12 goes into 70 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. 70 minus 60 gives me 10. Drop down a 0, so I have 100. 12 goes into 100 8 times. 8 times 12 is 96. Subtract and I get 4. And 12 goes into 40 3 times. I can stop right here because I wanted to round to the hundredths spot. I need to go to the thousandths spot to see what to round this to. So I don't need to keep going. I can stop right here. I stop here and I look. This number is smaller than 4. 4 is smaller. You don't change this, so I'm not going to change this. I'm going to keep this. If I round it to 250.583 is going to round to 250.58. So I keep it as an 8. Now I also look at the negatives. I had a negative divided by a negative. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so I just drop the negative signs. This is my answer.